Hello everyone, this is John Tu, Houston Realtor. Today JT see the new listing of the gorgeous Western home in the beautiful community of Cross Creek West. As you can see that Fort Worth, Texas is the most top 10 fast growing city in America with a population of 20,000. Gorgeous property features 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bedroom downstairs and 2 bedroom upstairs. 3.5 bath, 2 stories. We have the high ceiling, beautiful tile floor with the quartz granite countertop. We have the offer price of $589,000. And the tax rate is 3.29. You can ask for the homestead exemption after you purchase this home. This property is in the school district of Lamar. Is a good school district for your children. This property easily access to I-10 Grand Parkway 29 with a lot of shopping centers. Minutes drive to Katy Mill and Asian Town, Costco, and a lot of shopping centers and restaurants, and pretty close 15-20 minutes drive to the Katy Memorial Hospital. If you're interested about these properties, feel free to call or text me and let's enjoy it together. Thank you for watching.